Today I will show you how to connect your email, receive emails in Watermelon, and answer emails automatically. So first we're going to connect email. Doing so allows you to answer emails automatically. You go to the integrations page on the left hand side and you click connect. You can also scroll down and click on email in channels. After you click connect, the email integration will be created. Your first email channel is now available. First, we have to provide it a name. So we're going to set up an email that allows me to answer my personal inbox emails. So I'll call it Alexander Weininga. You have a few mail settings. So you have the agent email address. This is an email address that is needed to forward emails to this address so it can be answered automatically. Every email forwarded to this email address will be visible in Watermelon. We can also select the reply address and we can also connect a new address. We have the display name, which will be my name in this case, and we have the AI disclaimer. This is needed to comply with the EU AI law. We can turn the Watermelon branding on or we can turn it off, and we have the email signature. So best regards, Alexander. I can save this, and now we scroll up and we go to the base instruction. This instruction is needed so every email looks like an email. If you want to adjust how it looks or how it responds specifically for the email channel, you can add a custom instruction and write it yourself. For now, I will use the base instruction. Then we go to email configuration. Email configuration allows me to forward email addresses, but also answer email addresses from my own domain. So first we're going to set this up. So I click new email address and the email that we're going to connect is hello@alexanderweininga.com. I'll continue, and now I need to set up the forwarding first. So I'm going to do it in Google Mail. I go to the settings in Google Mail, see all settings, forwarding, add a forwarding address, and I'll provide the email here. I click next. I click proceed, and now it has been added. First, I need to verify it. So I go back to Watermelon. Now you can see it here as well. I go to the inbox and I go to new. Now I have to wait a few seconds in order for this email to come in so I can verify my email address. There it is. So as you can see, this email is not answered because it has been identified as automated. Automated emails will not be answered. So I click on the link so I can verify with Google. I confirm, and that's that. Perfect. Now it has been verified. I will now close this conversation. My closed conversation can always be seen in the closed conversations overview. So now it has been set up, and we go back to the email settings, to integrations, to email configuration, and we're gonna continue. So we verify the forwarding, and now I get the DNS settings. So now we're gonna add the DNS settings, 3 CNAMEs and the TXT record to my DNS settings. Give me a minute. So my email address has now been verified. Automatic forwarding is on and the verification is correct. I can now change my reply address to hello@alexanderweininga.com. I can save it, and now we can start sending emails. One important thing with Google is that you still have to add this email address after verifying. So I go to Gmail and there I add the email address. I want everything to archive every email And now I will save the changes. Now forwarding has been set up, and you will see a notice. Once you've seen the notice in Gmail, it works out of the box. So now we're going to the inbox and we're gonna send a test mail. Give me 1 minute. So I have sent an email and it will arrive in the dashboard shortly. There's my email. So now I will open the email. As you can see, there's an email. I haven't added the agent yet, so I can now assign it to me and reply from my own email address. Now I send a reply as a human being. I can see the whole conversation here, so I have always visibility in what has been sent and has been received. And now I have received the email. So this is the human-to-human email. Now I'm going to close this conversation and it will be removed from here. I can always see the closed conversations in the closed conversations filter. And we're going to add the agent to it. So we're going to do whether this is Watermelon or create a new agent, but for now I will add Chad to this channel. You go to activate agent, you click on add it, and you select your email channel here. I show more, I select my email channel, and I click save. Once I have clicked save, I go back to the agents, I go back to the inbox, and I'm gonna review Chad's conversations in a bit. So I will send a new email. So I have sent an email and it will arrive in the dashboard shortly. This is the agents filter, and in this filter I can see all the conversations from our agent from the past few days. As you can see, my email is received here. It asks, hey, I have 250 conversations monthly. Which plan will suit me best? And it says, hey, Alexander, for 250 conversations, the starter plan is your best pick with the link to the pricing. Can I help you with anything else? And now I also have received this email in my inbox, in my personal email, and I can see the details of this user here. So as you can see, this is my email address, alexanderreininga@gmail.com. And the reply that I received was from my personal email. And that is how you set up email, how you can answer it yourself, and how you can have your agent answer it. Thanks for watching.